Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to get rid of iPhone Microsoft suggestion calendar virus on iPhone in iOS 14.4.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tip number 2. Delete calendar. Open the calendar app on your iPhone. Tap Calendar. Tap icon calendar. Scroll down. Delete calendar. Tip number 3. Delete all website data. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap Safari. On the Safari page, scroll down, tap Advanced, tap Website Data, scroll down, remove all website data. Again remove now. Thanks for watching this video.